Hello guys, I'm Lerenian and I want to show you how to make a low poly shield with my with no such with no big effort. So we start with cone. Just I will show you how to make a round shield as an example. I start with a cone. It can be 32 vertices or more or less. Depends on how much detail you want to have. Now we go to modeling tab. Vertices, select vertices, make this smaller. This X axis. Now select the bottom. Scale it a bit. Now also important part. Delete the bottom. Only the face. Now back to the X axis and extrude. For example, like this. Now we can back. Make it like this and make it this part a bit higher. Now to make the rim, again extrude, upscale, but not much, and up. Again, extrude, upscale. And a bit down. Maybe a bit too much upscale. The rim will be too big. Yes, like this. Yes. Now to the bottom. Extrude. And downscale now. When I make shields, I try to make it so that the rim is somewhat the same on both sides. Great. Now extrude to the center. Now we can make another extrude and merge it at center. And to the top. And just like we make this guard a bit up, we make this also a bit up. Like this. And we created the base mesh. Now to shading. When we smooth shade, we get something like this. We don't want this. We go to data properties, select auto smooth. But we change this, for example, to a higher volume like 60 degrees, but it doesn't help either. We want for example, this rim, this edge here and this edge here don't have any smoothing. So to do it, we go to modeling, select the edge, go to edge mode, for example, like double clicking on an edge, select the whole edge loop. That's a tip from me. So click edge, mark sharp. Now we go to the, for example, to see it better, this edge, mark sharp. We see it already starts to look good. Edge, mark sharp, edge, mark sharp. Now we have good base mesh, I think, for our run shield, for example, a Viking or some other. Now to the UV. I always make for shields, I make UV from project view. So I select everything by pressing A on the right tab with edit mode. Press U, go to Z, the viewport. Press U, project from view. Now you can see that it's nice when, because the rim is same on both sides, and you only need to project the texture only once. And for example, if you want to have different things for the back, so you go to -Z on the viewport, select the faces, select everything here, press A on the left panel, downscale, move, select everything again by A. And now we have the UV and the mesh made. And for example, now select everything and export it to make a texture for it. Okay, that's everything for me. I hope we will help out.